Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take an in-depth look at the latest gadgets and electronics. Today, we're diving into the Topexplore 9.26-inch CarPlay screen for cars. A device that promises to upgrade your driving experience with next-level technology. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just love tech upgrades, this product has a lot to offer. Right off the bat, the 9.26-inch display is vibrant and responsive, making it a centerpiece for your dashboard. It supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and with its upgraded 5G Wi-Fi. You can expect a faster, more stable connection than many older CarPlay systems. That means hands-free calls, instant music playback, and GPS navigation that responds without delay, giving your car a true next-generation feel. But the Topexplore screen isn't just about convenience. It comes equipped with a dual-camera system, including a 2.5K front dash cam and a 1080p backup camera. This setup not only records your drives automatically but also provides reverse assist, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces safer and easier. Loop recording ensures you never miss a moment, whether it's daily commutes or longer road trips. Audio options on this device are extensive. With 4 output modes, you can stream music and calls through Bluetooth, FM, aux, or the built-in speakers. This versatility allows seamless integration with almost any vehicle, providing high-quality audio for every ride. Navigation is another area where this device shines. Connect your phone, and you gain access to real-time GPS with Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps. The system intelligently selects the fastest route, eliminating the frustration of outdated maps and confusing interfaces. You also get a mirror link feature for Apple AirPlay and Android Cast, letting you project your phone's content onto the screen, turning even long drives into entertainment-filled journeys. Mounting has been addressed thoughtfully with an upgraded suction cup mount featuring a 3-layer nano-gel bottom for a stronger grip. Once installed, it remains securely in place, handling bumps and turns with confidence. No more worrying about your screen slipping off during your drive. Keeping your system updated is hassle-free thanks to OTA online updates. As soon as a new version is released, it downloads wirelessly, so your CarPlay screen stays current with the latest features without any complicated steps. The package includes everything you need: the 9.26-inch screen with a 64GB card, a car charger, a 4.92-foot aux cable, adhesive and suction cup brackets, a rear camera with a 23-foot reverse line, and a user manual. The device weighs just over 2.5 pounds and fits all 12 to 24 volts vehicles, making it a flexible and portable solution for nearly any car. In short, the Topexplore 9.26-inch CarPlay screen brings together high-quality display, advanced connectivity, robust audio options, smart navigation, and safety features into one comprehensive package. For anyone looking to upgrade their car with a modern, versatile, and reliable touchscreen system, this is certainly a product worth considering. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.